Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how to fix display off problem in Samsung Galaxy A17. If your mobile is not turning on and not showing any kind of display, then I recommend you to put it for charging for 30 minutes. Let's connect it to charging. Now as you can see, there is no charging sign display. Now put it to charging for next 30 to 45 minutes. After 30 to 45 minutes, try to open your mobile. Now as you can see, the display is back. But if you are still facing this problem, then I recommend you to go to your nearest service center because it means you have a hardware problem. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in next video.